Happy International Women's Day. Today we celebrate the strength and vision of women everywhere. In honor of this, I am reading day 272 of 366 Days of Trilingual Wisdom. It features a quote from a true pioneer, Ellen Johnson Sirleaf, the first female president of Liberia and Nobel Peace Prize laureate. Here is a challenge to us all in English, German, and Yoruba. If your dreams don't scare you, they are not big enough. The German version. Zitat. Wenn deine Träume dir keine Angst machen, sind sie nicht groß genug. Yoruba version. Ọ̀rọ̀ àmọ̀ràn. Tí àwọn èròǹgbà rẹ fún ọjọ́ iwájú kò bá dẹ́rù bà ọ́, wọn kò tóbi tó. 366 Days of Trilingual Wisdom and Happy International Women's Day.